In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Gmail name. Changing your Gmail name updates the display name people see when they receive an email from you. It won't change your actual email address, and it may take a little time to show up everywhere, but the process is quick. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. Once your inbox loads, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture or your initial inside a colored circle. Click that. A small panel opens. In that panel, choose Manage Settings. Depending on your screen, you may see Manage Your Google Account. It's the same place. You're now in your Google account settings. On the left-hand side, click Personal Info. This section controls what shows up on your account, including your name. In the Basic Info area, you'll see your current name displayed. Click your name to open the editor. On the next screen, click directly into the first name and last name fields so they become editable. Type the new first and last name exactly how you want them to appear on outgoing messages. Before you save, double-check spelling and capitalization. Keep in mind that simple, professional names are easiest for recipients to recognize. Some special characters or emojis might not display properly in all mail apps, so it's best to avoid them. When you're ready, click Save. That's all there is to it. Your Gmail display name has been updated. If you send a new email and it still shows the old name, give it a few minutes and try refreshing your browser. Changes can take a short time to sync across devices and mail services. A quick reminder, this change applies to the Google account you currently have open. If you use more than one account, make sure you click the correct profile picture at the start. Also, if you use Gmail through a work or school organization, your administrator may limit name changes. In that case, you might not see the option to edit, or the change may be reversed by policy. If you're making this change on your phone or tablet, the app may open your account page in a browser window. That's normal, and the edit works the same way. To recap, open Gmail, click your profile picture, choose Manage Settings, go to Personal Info, select your name under Basic Info, edit your first and last name, and click Save. With that, your emails will show the updated name moving forward.